Hey guys, Jordan from nuCamp. Today we're going to be going over sediment filters. Your camper will usually have at least 2 sediment filters, and we're going to show you where those are and how to clean them. The locations of these filters will vary a little bit from camper to camper, but they will always be located right on the water inlet to the Nautilus panel, and then also on the inlet to the water pump.
At the Nautilus System, one sediment filter will be inside the city water inlet. You can pop this out with your thumb to remove it. For the 2025 Cirrus 620, the water pump is located below the sink. The clear cover unscrews and you can pull the filter out to clean it.
So once you've got a hold of your sediment filter, you can take it out and just use a small brush to clean out any gunk or buildup and go ahead and put it back in place. Thanks for joining us. If you have any further questions, you're welcome to email us at tech@nucamprv.com. Thanks for watching.